Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. Today I am in my kitchen and I'm gonna show you something that I'm gonna cook today. A little bit about me is that I do not like cooking. Cooking is not my very favorite things to do, but I do have to cook. You know, we try to eat healthy and we try to cook that is healthy, but you know, we always have the same recipe over and over and over, so I'm kind of tired of the same recipe. So I decided to order this HelloFresh. I'm really excited about this. This is my first time using HelloFresh. If you guys have used HelloFresh, let me know that how you guys like it. So I'm quite excited for using this HelloFresh, and I ordered for 3 meals for 2 people, and let's find out that how it's gonna work for us. And I'm really have a high hopes that it's gonna work for us, so we can have some different recipe and some delicious food. And I ordered the low calories one, so they have a different choices. So I ordered the low calories one, and let's see what's inside here. And I kind of forgot that what I ordered because it's been like a week, so I'm really excited for this. I ordered the one with the 30 minutes. They had a 50 minutes, 30 minutes, but you know, since I don't like cooking, so I tried to order 30 minutes one. So let's open this box and see like which meal I'm gonna prepare today. Let me open it. I am not really good at cooking at all. I do not like cooking. I was kind of waiting for Brandon to come home and see that what he want to eat, but he is at dentist, and then he didn't reply me. Almost 6 o'clock, so I decided to just, you know, like, oh okay, what is this? Oh okay, this is the recipe. I ordered Italian chicken over lemon spaghetti and yellow squash flatbread. That looks really delicious. Look at this. And this is the first one, the chicken and pasta. And oh, look at this, crispy southwestern chicken cutlets. Yum. This looks really yummy. If I can cook like in these pictures, I'll be so happy, because I told you that I don't like cooking. It comes in this little brown bag, and it has a Italian chicken over lemon spaghetti, yellow squash flatbread. This one is flatbread. This one is crispy southwestern chicken cutlet. So I have these 3 bags. I'm gonna try this one today. Okay, here's the chicken, and here's a bag of pasta. So let's see, there is a 1 zucchini here, lemon, all the ingredients are right here. To avoid, okay, let me avoid the water for pasta. So I put pasta on the boil, and now I have to make this the chicken now. And I was thinking to make that flatbread too. Just cook everything today. First I have to this zucchini, and I just put a little bit olive oil, and I'm gonna put zucchinis and salt and pepper there. I think I'm gonna make this flatbread too. I think the zucchini is ready, it's just brown, so I'm gonna put this in the plate. So now is the chicken part. Now I'm gonna put chicken. So Brandon called me and he said he's coming, so I'm going to turn the oven on. I just need to turn my hair. That means I'm very serious now. I just put some Italian seasoning there. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to make flatbread, and it comes with all these herbs and it smells so good. It has some tomatoes, and I love cherry tomatoes, my favorite. And this is basil, and this is spring mix. Let me read this instruction again. It is getting very hard. I don't know why. I'm just like, my kitchen is so messy and I'm all over the place. I just have to chop all the vegetables now. And it looks delicious. Everything is chopped and cleaned for my flatbread. Now I'm going to add pasta, garlic, and it is getting really hard. I don't know why. This is 30 minutes, but it is like I've been doing this like I told you like 5 something, right? It's an hour. It's not 30 minutes. Hi baby. It's getting really hard. Please come and help me.
You used to cook in the poly food.
No. Please help me. Come here. Random thing that I'm gonna burn the house down. I'm not so used to cooking. I'm trying my best. Like, you know, what can I do? So, but you know what? I'm gonna save this recipe. And I already look at the water and it's already like, what is this, tearing down? Like what?
Soggy.
Like look at that, I already ruined this. I'm getting really overwhelmed right now. I don't know why. Baba. Oh, that's fine. And some man, he doesn't even have a shirt on. He's like, what are you doing? Oh, it's getting very hard.
Oh.
What's wrong? You went to dentist and what's going on?
Went to the dentist and did a root canal and a crown. And I've never had my tooth hurt, and it hurts.
And he's home and he's helping me. It's getting really hard. Why? Okay, I'm gonna add water now. So he's reading the instructions and I'm gonna add what he said.
Okay. Trade and juice from 2 lemon wedges.
Add what was the juice?
Oh. Simmer until thickened. About 1 minute. Turn off heat.
I think the pasta is almost ready, but it's already like more than an hour. Seriously. Guys, I don't know. It looks good, but it's a lot of work. So Brandon was asking me that is this really worth it? So when he came, it's kind of helped me, like, you know, he started reading the instructions and helping me. But by myself, I don't know. We are so not used to cooking. We always use like a really quick food, like, you know, usually we always eat salad and grilled chicken, and that's quite easy. That's all we eat for dinner. And sometimes I cook Nepali food. Not all the variety of Nepali food, like, you know, just very easy Nepali food. That's all I do. I don't know what to do. Whoopsie! What I'm going to do is that I'm going to prepare for the flatbread now. So now I'm going to cook this flatbread. It looks really good here in the pictures. I struggle. Let's get going now. Pasta is ready. Chicken is ready. I'm getting there, guys. Almost there. I put the flatbread in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes and we're done and I'm ready for the dinner. So I'm gonna clean up the kitchen while the flatbread is in the oven. Okay guys, my food is ready now and it looks really delicious. I'm gonna show you. Food looks really delicious and that's the flatbread. Quite good. You want to try it? Yeah? It's really good. Let me try this flatbread. What do you think?
I think the zucchini tastes good. Yeah, it tastes and looked like the stuff on the picture.
After almost like 2 hours, it tastes really good and I really like it. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then what they need to do?
Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and then the bell.
Oh, the blue notification bell, so you won't miss any of my video. If you like this video, then do the thumbs up and also subscribe my channels. Go follow me on my Instagram and don't forget to turn on that blue notification bell so you won't miss any of my video. I'm trying to do little different kind of videos and I tried it, I like it, but I think once I get used to of this, like, you know, cooking habit, it will be easier for me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and be good, be happy. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.